Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable write protection in USB flash drive. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, click on start menu and open command prompt application by typing cmd and click here command prompt, and now type this command diskpart and press enter. Now click on yes. Now here type list disk list disk and press enter. Now this will display list of the disks or the device that is connected into my system. That is, disk 0 is usually internal hard disk and disk 1 is my fan drive I have inserted in my laptop. So now type select disk 1 to select the disk 1, that is my fan drive, and press enter. Now the disk 1 is selected. Now here again type this command press enter. So now the command is set successfully. So now let's see whether my USB fan drive is enabled write protection or not. Let's go into Windows Explorer and open fan drive. So here is the two folder I have in my fan drive. So let's try to delete this folder. So you can see here there is no options for delete. Again, let's try to create a folder. So you can see here there is no options for creating a new folder also. So it is now enabled. So if anyone try to modify the content of this fan drive, they will not able to do, because I have enabled write protections in my fan drive. And also when the write protection is enabled, you will not able to format your fan drive also. You can see here. Let me show you. Let's try to format my fan drive. Click start. Okay, you can see here the disk is write protected. Neither I am able to create a new file in my fan drive nor able to format my fan drive by enabling write protections. Now to disable the write protections in fan drive, open command prompt application again and type again diskpart and press enter. Press yes. Type here list disk, press enter and select disk 1, and now type this command to disable write protections. type this command. And press enter. As you can see here, the command is successful. Now close this application window, and now let's open my pen drive again, and let's try to delete this folder. As you can see here, now I can delete the folder, and I can also create a new folder inside my pen drive. So in this way you can enable write protections in pen drive.